Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Honor Pad v9. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now click open, and then click on this button to skip introduction, and then click not now. Now click open permissions and select AI assistant, then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and go back again, and then click start. And as you can see right here, there's my ChatGPT widget. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.